Okay guys, well I wanted to show you a car I'm potentially buying from my cousin. This used to be my great aunt's car all those years ago. It's a 1966 Ford Fairlane 500. I know the low lighting situations helping the fact of being able to read everything, but the mileage is 53,361. It's an automatic. This is back when you didn't even have to put your foot on the brake to shift gears. And if I can get this to open, there we go. Buried in here is the, right, oh, that's not it, there it is. The original owner's manual from 1966. Let's see here. Yeah, you can see it was her name. This has got the Mustang motor in it, so should be a fast car. She's been sitting since 2000, I think. You can see it's got the 289 in it. So I'll make more videos when the lighting situation's a little bit better. Then I can retract and so on. It's only got an AM radio in it, so would have to fix something up to give it AM FM. So hopefully get it cleaned up and start working on it soon. Anyways, stay tuned.